everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a packing video on my Black and Bloom Hobo bee. I decided to do it a little differently to what I normally do, so instead of unpacking everything, we're going to pack it up as to how I'm going to be using this bag today. So as I said, this is in the Black and Bloom print. I was really lucky to get one of these because there's not too many of them in Canada. So I decided to put a black seatbelt strap on it just to kind of break up the print a little. And I'm going to start off with packing up the mummy pocket. I'm not going to use the cell phone pocket. I really don't use these pockets that often, especially not for a cell phone. Sometimes I'll put a coin purse in or something else, but quite often I don't even use this pocket. So the the mummy pocket, in here I'm going to throw a card holder and a coin purse into the mesh pocket right here. And then on the other mesh pocket, I'm going to put some mints and a lip balm. So they're just sat in there. I will put my keys in here too, but I actually don't know where they are right now. And then I'm going to throw my Kate Spade wallet in here. This is a fairly small wallet, so this fits great with plenty of room if I need to throw other stuff in there. So I'm not putting anything in the back change pad pocket. I will leave the change pad just in there. Or actually, not the change pad that goes with this bag. I have a different one to put in there. So in the main bit of the bag, I am going to put this small Be Organised. This is in the Space Place, and it has just some of the little like magnetic shapes in there. And this fits really great into that back mesh pocket. And then over in this other mesh pocket, I'm going to put a small set piece in the Black and Bloom, and that just has the charger stuff for my phone. So that's right in there. And then my medium set piece in the gingham style print. This is just like a med kit and mummy stuff. I have done a separate video on this, but that's kind of how it looks in there. And there's the lining of that if you're interested. It's really, really pretty. So this I am actually going to put in this back zippered pocket here. So that's going to go right into there. And this is a great little pocket to fit a medium set piece in. So that's just in that back pocket there. In the main part of the bag, I'm going to put 3 diapers and a Huggies clutch. And yeah, I'm not using the Y pouch today. I found this in the back of my closet and decided to just fill this one up just for a change. So that fits nicely into there. I'm going to put the hand sanitizer just down into the corner there, and then I have a little pot that's got Cheerios in that's just going to sit right on top there. So we will, and as you can see, there's lots of room. I haven't even put anything in this front pocket or this front mesh pocket here. So if I want to throw other stuff in later, I can. Water bottle's going to go in this bottle pocket, and a sippy cup is going to go in this one. And there it is, all packed up. It is quite packed, I guess, but there is still room if I needed to throw some other stuff in. So there is my Black and Bloom Hobo bee packed up for today. If you have any questions, please comment below, and thanks for watching this video.